Hi, I'm Lindsay Parker from Macquarie University and the ARC Center of Excellence for Nanoscale Biophotonics. My presentation today is about fighting brain cancer with tiny diamonds. We always hear how diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I want to tell you today how we might be able to use diamonds in the fight against brain cancers, like glioblastoma multiforme. Imagine, if you're diagnosed with glioblastoma, there's a 95% chance that you'll die in the next 5 years, and most likely, it'll be in the next 15 months. Glioblastoma is almost always fatal because the cells spread quickly to other parts of the brain. That means that doctors can't remove the brain tumors using surgery alone. To make things even worse, these cells are extremely resistant to chemotherapy drugs and radiation therapies. And we can't just increase the doses of those things without harming healthy brain cells that we need to survive. We really need new tools and technologies that can help us to deliver chemotherapy drugs and radiation therapies into diseased brain cancer cells only. Now, there's 17 drugs currently under clinical trials right now for treating glioblastoma, but none of them can do this. I'm an expert in identifying cells in the brain that can help us tell the difference between healthy and diseased brain cells. I'm using what I know to tackle this problem in a completely different way than everyone else, and that's to make nanotechnologies using tiny diamonds and chemotherapy drugs, and to make them in a way that they easily go inside diseased brain cancer cells, but they leave healthy brain cells alone. Now, we normally see diamonds being used in jewelry, but actually, we make diamonds already that we can see inside cells using microscopes and MRI machines. Diamonds are also a type of semiconductor crystal, so they might be able to help us kill brain cancer cells easier with radiation therapies by amplifying the signal of radiation inside cells, sort of like how Wi-Fi antennas help us to boost our mobile phone signals. I injected thousands of tiny diamonds into brain cells from animals and humans, and what I found is that they were very safe to use on their own without drugs. This isn't that surprising because diamonds are made up of carbon atoms, and carbon is the main ingredient in things like proteins, fats, DNA, sugars, and muscle cells. So carbon makes up around 20% of our human bodies already. These are my diamonds, millions of them. They're really tiny. Each one of these diamonds is only around 100 nanometers in size. That's about the same size as a virus, and it's about 2,000 times smaller than one single piece of glitter. If my new diamond nanotechnologies can help us to better treat brain cancer cells without harming healthy ones, patients might be able to spend extra days, weeks, months, or years with their loved ones. I'm hoping to find out soon with my research whether diamonds might be prized for their fight against cancer instead of just their beauty and sparkle. Thank you.